Namaste. Welcome to Bliss Souls by Monica. I am a certified nutritionist, yoga, pranayam and meditation practitioner. So today we'll be doing Utthita Parsvakonasana. If you watched my previous videos, you already know what Utthita means. Parsva means side or lateral, Kona means angle and Asana means pose. Hence, it is also called as extended side angle pose. This asana tones up your ankles, knees and thighs. It removes defects from your calves and thighs. It develops and expands your chest. It removes fat around your waist and hips. It's an extremely beneficial asana for people suffering from sciatica and arthritic pains. It also aids in digestion and elimination. I've also listed down all these benefits in the description below. Now before we do the asana, I will be demonstrating two versions of this pose. On the right side will be the actual pose, like how you're supposed to do it. On the left side will be the beginner's version. Like for those who cannot touch their palms or fingers completely on the floor, can practice the beginner's version and eventually you'll be able to do the actual pose with practice. So let's hop on to our mat. Take 4 feet distance between your legs. The distance should be more than what we take for Trikonasana. Turn your right foot 90 degrees to the right. See to it that it's in the center of your left foot. Turn your left foot slightly to the right. Raise your arms sideways in line with the shoulders, palms facing down. Exhale and with a smile, bend your right leg at the knee until the thigh and the calf form a right angle and the right thigh is parallel to the floor. Place your right palm completely on the floor at the side of the right foot. Stretch your left arm over the ear and gaze up. Stretch your spine as much as possible, tighten your kneecaps and be in this position for 20 counts. Once you complete 20 counts, come up slowly. We will be repeating the entire process on the left side. This is the beginner's version. Again, take 4 feet distance between your legs. Turn your left foot 90 degrees to the left. Now turn your right foot slightly to the left. Raise your arms sideways in line with the shoulders. Exhale and with a smile, bend your left leg at the knee. Now place your left arm onto the left ankle from the outside. Stretch your right arm over the ear and gaze up. Hold this position for 20 counts with normal breathing. Once you complete 20 counts, come up. Jump back to Tadasana. So guys, I hope you've learned the right way of doing this pose. I just want to add one thing. I've recently started this channel and it's with the pure intention of promoting a happy and healthy lifestyle. So please like, share, subscribe and spread this thought because it will inspire me to make more such videos and together we can make this world an ecstatic place to live. Thank you for watching. I will see you soon. Namaste.